Have you ever wondered about the magic of Dolby Atmos sound? This technology is revolutionizing how we experience audio in films. Imagine sound coming from all around you, not just from the screen. Dolby Atmos creates a 3D sound environment, enhancing immersion. It's not just for movies. Music and games are also embracing this tech. Artists can now create soundscapes that transport you to another world. But how does it work? It uses object-based audio for precise sound placement. This means sound can move freely in a 3D space, unlike traditional formats. Dolby Atmos is also making waves in home entertainment systems. With compatible devices, you can enjoy cinema-like experiences at home. As technology advances, expect even more immersive experiences in the future. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Dolby Atmos sound? Join the audio revolution and make your listening experience unforgettable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech news.